Do you also love your designer jeans? I love designer jeans. But why is it that some jeans actually look better than others? Aren't they designer jeans? No, these jeans were also designed. But some designs are just better than others. And that is why they look better on you. You know, the same thing is true about your life. I believe you can have a designer life. I actually know that every person on earth has got a designer life. You know what? But some designs are just better than others. That is why some lives are dilapidated and other lives are actually really nice to watch and actually nice to live and to be in. And so what I want to offer you a process that you can get rid of your old design and get a new thing called designer life. And that designer life is how we do it. We do it on a program called Get a Life in 40 Days. It is either presented online on a 7-week journey, 1 hour a week for 7 weeks, or with an online Moodle program, a learning program platform for you to follow over 40 days, or it is presented in a 1-day workshop. So if you want a better design, if you want a designer life, a true, real, good life, why don't you come and join and come and sit and get your new plan on how to cut and what to lose and how to put things together and how to integrate this life so that you have a holistic, integrated life, which will be a good thing to watch for other people. So welcome. Follow the links below and see what we have on offer and come for your designer life.